Since I came to MPH, I achieved a 25 kilo drop in my weight, also a 14% body fat drop, which is pretty cool, but the big thing I came here for was to transform my body, and I think my composition has changed a lot. I've got a better understanding about my body, what I can do, what I can't do, what's best for me. Big thing for me was nutrition too. Bailey's helped me a lot with nutrition, what works for me, what I don't like and what I do like, and what I can go home and meal prep and stuff like that, yeah. My name's Jaidyn, and I came to MPH to get a better understanding of my health and fitness and transform my body to my potential. I would recommend MPH to others because it's a massive environment here. There's no big egos here. Everyone's supportive. If you're doing an exercise, everyone's around you. Yeah.